Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your environment supports themes and color customization. Install a vetted dark theme package or select one built into your editor. This gives consistent UI colors. Once done, enable the theme at global or workspace level so code blocks inherit styles. Make sure to toggle any system-level dark mode sync if you want automatic switching between light and dark. By starting here, you avoid color mismatches and ensure syntax highlighting layers will apply predictably to code blocks. Next, you refine code block presentation to improve readability and reduce eye strain. Change font family, size, and line height so text remains crisp at long durations. Then tweak token colors for keywords, strings, comments, and punctuation to keep contrast hierarchy clear. This helps you scan logic quickly. Also set background opacity and choose a caret color that stands out. Once tuned, preview multiple file types. Make sure Markdown rendered code blocks and inline snippets match your editor settings for consistent appearance. Finally, you complete setup by testing across file types and toggling light versus dark to confirm consistency. Run accessibility checks. Aim for a contrast ratio at or above 4.5 to 1 and preview with colorblind simulators so important tokens remain distinguishable. If code blocks look wrong, troubleshoot. Reset the theme cache, disable extensions that override colors, and reapply your settings. Make sure to restart the editor after changes. This sequence ensures durable visuals and a reliable dark mode coding experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.